Hello everyone, welcome to EDUHUNT classes. We have finished microbial organisms in human welfare, how these are useful to humans. In various ways, in various fields, we are taking the benefits of microorganisms. One is in dairy industry, second is in agriculture, third is in medicine field, fourth is in research. And in this way, in various fields, we are using microorganisms. And though they are useful, sometimes they may be harmful. Like they cause spoilage of food, they cause various diseases to human beings as well as to other organisms. In this session, we are going to answer some multiple choice questions based on the concept we have learned, we have discussed. Let's see. Which gas is responsible for the puffed up appearance of dough? అంటే బేకరీస్లోనే కాదు, మనమైనా సరే దోసల పిండి అలాంటి పిండిని చేసినప్పుడు ఆ పిండి ఫ్రెష్ పిండి అయితే దోసలు హార్డ్గా వస్తాయి. అదే కొంచెం మనం నిల్వ ఉంచామనుకోండి, స్టోర్ చేసామనుకోండి, పఫీనెస్ వస్తుంది, ఉబ్బుతుంది. ఆ ఉబ్బడం కూడా ఎలా అంటే గేషియస్గా, చాలా పఫీగా ఉంటుంది. ఈవెన్ బ్రెడ్, కేక్ ఇవన్నీ స్పాంజీగా రావాలంటే రీజన్ ఏంటి? ఈ మైక్రోబియల్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ లైక్ ఈస్ట్, ఫంగై అవి ఎనరోబిక్ రెస్పిరేషన్ జరిపి CO2ని, ఆల్కహాల్ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తాయి. సో CO2 ఉంటుంది, గ్యాస్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో అది కుషన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ వస్తుంది. సో డౌకి ఆ పఫీనెస్ ఎలా వచ్చింది అంటే బికాజ్ ఆఫ్, ఇక్కడ పడలేదు నేను రాసేస్తున్నాను, CO2. Okay, this is the answer, because of CO2. Which bacterium helps in the production of Swiss cheese? Propionibacterium shermani is used in the production of Swiss cheese. Streptokinase, which is used as a clot buster, it is obtained from Streptococcus, clot buster, to melt the clot. Statins, a bioactive molecule inhibiting the enzyme responsible for synthesis of cholesterol. Okay, statins are responsible for inhibiting the enzyme synthesis of cholesterol. అంటే కొలెస్ట్రాల్ ఎక్కువ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవ్వదు దీనివల్ల. Ganga and Yamuna Action Plan is initiated by the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Methanogenic bacteria these are present in anaerobic sludge. Even they are present in rumen, a part of stomach of cattle. క్యాటిల్లో స్టమక్లో 4 ఛాంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి, రూమెన్, రెటిక్యులం, ఒమేసమ్, అబోమేసమ్. దానిలో కూడా ఈ మెథనోజెనిక్ బ్యాక్టీరియా ఉంటాయి. The technology of biogas production was developed in India mainly due to the efforts of Indian Agriculture Research Institute, IARI, and Khadi and Village Industry Commission, KVIC. This is the answer. Baculoviruses are excellent candidates for species-specific narrow-spectrum pesticide applications. This is the answer. BOD refers to biological oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand or biochemical oxygen demand. Which of the following statement is true? That is, the greater the BOD of wastewater, more is its polluting potential. The greater the BOD of wastewater, less its polluting potential. The lesser the BOD of wastewater, more its polluting potential. The lesser the BOD of wastewater, less is its polluting potential. That is, the greater the BOD of wastewater, more is its polluting potential. If it consists of more biochemical oxygen demand of wastewater, it has the potential of polluting water. IPM is Integrated Pest Management Program. Antibiotics are used to treat diseases like whooping cough, diphtheria, leprosy, plague. All these are bacteria. Antibiotics are the chemicals that act against bacteria, pathogenic bacteria. So all these are the resultants of bacterial attack only. That is why all of these. Conversion of sugar into alcohol during fermentation is due to the direct action of microorganisms. Which one of the following is not true about antibiotics? It is first antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Here asked not true. So it is true. The term antibiotic was coined by Waxman. It is also true. Some persons can be allergic to a particular antibiotic. Each antibiotic is effective only against one particular kind of organism. That is wrong because it is broad spectrum in range. Yogurt and buttermilk are produced with the use of lactobacillus is the correct answer because lactobacillus bacteria, they produce this. Which one of the microorganisms is used for production of citric acid in the industries? It is Aspergillus niger. Which one of the following is used in the manufacture of alcohol? Yeast. Biogas consists of CO2, methane and hydrogen. Let's see whether the option is there. CO2, it is carbon monoxide, CO. So CO2, methane and hydrogen are present. So option 2 is correct answer. What are the advantages of gobar gas over conventional utilization? More efficient source of energy, use of good fertilizer, reduces the chances of spreading pathogens. All of these. Which of the following is the pair of biofertilizers? Azella and blue-green algae, nostoc legume, rhizobium grasses, salmonella and E. coli. Azella and blue-green algae, pair of fertilizers, biofertilizers. Sewage purification is done by, it is done by microorganisms. A free-living nitrogen-fixing cyanobacterium which can also form symbiotic association with the water fern Azella, that is Anabaena. Anabaena is a cyanobacterium, blue-green alga, which can form an association with Azella, a pteridophyte. Yes, we have finished student illustration part 1 worksheet, and in the next session we'll do few more questions based on the concept. All the best.